Hello everyone, this is Shyam Pandey, TGT English at Krishnakulam. First of all, I would like to thank Team Neltas, especially Komal ma'am, for their Teachers Day campaign. And here I would like to share a little bit of story of mine, like how I got inspired for becoming a teacher. Let me tell you, when I was in 6th grade, there was an English teacher of art, and he was very dashing and he was very attractive. He used to speak English in a very fluent manner, and we all used to wait when the teacher will come and when he will teach us. He used to teach us with several activities. He used to tell us with a very polite manner. He used to tell us each and everything individually. So all in all, we all were really very impressed with him and we really loved him. So I thought, being this type of person for whom everyone waits and for whom everyone acknowledges, respects, so this is what something that needs to be done in our life. People wait for you, they give respect, they kind of being hopeful when you enter in the class. So I decided I'll be a teacher, and I've chosen English as I was fond of stories, I was fond of novels, literature. So I decided that being a teacher, and that too of English, that I could make something in this area. So yes, I decided it, but now the time is really high, it's crisis time. But I would like to say, students must consider this time as an opportunity, and they should enhance themselves. It's a crisis time for everyone, but at least students are the one who can enhance or make something useful out of this time. My single advice to the students, first you people were going offline, and now the online, the technology, merging with technology has given you the another wings, have given you the extra qualities. Use them well, study the things properly. And as far as I am concerned, teaching the students in a practical way, in an experiential method, is more fruitful and is best, in my opinion, rather going for the traditional way of teaching or rote learning. Experiential or practical approach can be really explosive in terms of teaching students. So that's all from my side, and teachers obviously contribute a lot in the nation. I hope the crisis ends soon, and the students could really deserve and could really get what they're capable of and could explore themselves. Till then, goodbye to all the students. Thank you to the Team Neltas once again.